Hello Story Chasers, this is Amber and today I'm actually going to review this trailer over here. It's a Micro Lite trailer and I'm doing this because I myself am looking for a trailer, possibly in a truck situation. I'm currently in a van and I'm just looking for more space. So I wanted to do my own research for myself, but also show you guys what some of the options are out there. Pickings are slim these days because of how the pandemic has pushed everybody out to RVing, which can be a really good thing, but you know, we're having to wait a long time for stuff. So this is a Micro Lite. We're gonna take a look at it now. It is a travel trailer. This is a Micro Lite Flagstaff by Forest River. Got this nice big window up here, which we'll see when we get on the inside. You've got your trailer hitch here, and also all of your buttons to control that. Propane tank inside here. Got some storage out here. It's a nice little pass-through. It's kind of shallow, but it's definitely deep and pass-through. You've got the magnets that hook up here, which is nice. Don't have to worry about bonking your head on this thing. We have a nice large awning right here as well. So it goes all the way down to the end. You also have a Go Power plug-in for solar. It's pre-wired for solar. Your furnace vents, refrigerator vents. You have an area for your cable hookups, some AC for outside. All right. We have more storage here in the back. So it also hooks up with magnets. We have a nice little refrigerator here outside. So you've got a little outdoor kitchen, place to store things. This is your outdoor shower hose, which actually hooks in right next to the kitchen outside. These actually lock in place to pull out. So you have to unlock each of these areas over here to pull this grill out. So you have your outdoor grill, which locks into place now. It's not going to go anywhere. 2-burner stove that hooks into your propane tank. So there's your hose for the propane. Lots of windows out here. We'll check those out when we go inside. A nice bumper back here for you to put your sewer hose in. So this comes out, you can put your sewer hose in there or anything else you want to store. Have this ladder that also goes to the rooftop so you can do maintenance. A hitch back here to help you tow like your bikes, your spare tire. You can get to the bumper storage on the other side as well. You also have over here your outlet for your electricity to hook up to shore power. You can see your sewer tanks down here. This is your outside shower, which I can't get into because there's not a key. But your outside shower also here. This is your black tank flush. And we have cable, satellite, city water hookups here. You can see we've got a slide over on the side with more storage down below. Just a small little storage, carpeted. Looks like it kind of goes back in there probably to some areas for you to do some maintenance as well. It's nice that they've made that easily accessible. Got more storage here, which I can't open because it's locked. We have additional storage here, which should be the pass-through that we saw earlier. Oh, that's locked. Can't get in there, but there's storage in there. Have another water fill here. And lights, docking lights. Got a place for propane tanks as well. Let's go inside. Have a nice handrail here. It's not a huge step up, but it's nice to have the handrail to stabilize yourself. A nice solid door as well. And it just is kind of holding itself in place. It's a pretty sturdy door. Oh, yep, I do see right here they have a magnet for the door. So let's see how that goes into place. Oh, maybe not. Oh, here we go. I think you have to manually do it. There you go, like that. It's not automatic, so you would have to manually do that in order to keep the door open. All right, so you immediately walk into the bedroom, which is huge. It's kind of nice. Lots of storage over there on the sides. You've got your shades that go up and down for nighttime. Outlets, little vanity, nightstand for you. So there's a nightstand. We've got more storage available up there, just at the head of the bed. Storage in here as well. A little pantry maybe. Have a huge U-shaped dinette. That's massive. With storage underneath, and it pulls out. That's really nice. I like that. Let's see. Yeah. Those come up. More storage. Nice U-shape. See how comfortable this is. Oh yeah, it's pretty comfy. Don't mind me sweating, it's hot here. We have more storage above the dinette area with lots of windows and lighting. Now this is the area that's on the slide. So that completely comes out. This table also goes up and down. We have more storage over here. It's nice, it kind of goes back just a little bit. So 4 different compartments there. More, nope, that's not storage. That must be the slide area. We have our thermostat. And this is the bathroom. Oh, it's a nice big bathroom in here. Nice shower and a skylight. Got your fan up here. Ducted air and furnace. It's like a little bathtub too. I mean, it would be hard to fit in there. Wash your dog in it. Nice toilet. It is the plastic, it's not, well no, the bowl is ceramic actually below. Yep, ceramic. Have a window in the bathroom you can open up and blinds. Your vanity for toiletries. Now you can see this is a lot smaller than some of your other RVs or trailers. Called a Micro Lite. A little bit of storage down here with plumbing, not much. Area here. Place to put your glass. Toothbrush holders. Little sink and vanity. And then for the bed, you've got a double, I'd say this is a full size. So you've got a bed up above and a bed down below with this ladder. I'd say if you're a single person, take the ladder out probably, or store it up there. Use that maybe as storage, or if you want to sleep down there, whichever one. But that works. You've got storage down below here, below the bed, with this net to keep things from moving. And look at this big, huge refrigerator. Nice freezer, it's pretty large. This is a Dometic, nice closing locks. Nice refrigerator, big, spacious. So it's not as huge as your residential fridges, but it still is big, especially compared to my van. Then we have our microwave convection here. You have your vent for your stove. Your stove is right here. It's a 3-burner cooktop with this glass. You can pull back, cook up here. It's nice. I like that metal. It's really sturdy. And you have an oven down here. This is a Magic Chef oven, so pretty big. I like that too. And lots of storage here as well, off to the side, for utensils and all kinds of stuff. Then you have your kitchen counter. with a sink and these little inserts for your sink. You can move back and forth. You can use it as a cutting board. And I love that you have these windows here to look out to wherever you're at. Get a nice view while you're cooking. Oh, and this is pretty special too. You've got a little extension for your kitchen. So that's cool. And then, so this is a Murphy bed. It goes all the way up. I'm not gonna push it all the way up, but
the Murphy bed actually stores away and you have a sofa underneath.
This big TV that's over the kitchen counter. It's out of the way so you can watch TV while you're cooking. I'm sitting on the bed right now so you can watch TV from the bed. You can also watch TV from the dinette. And we have more storage. I'd probably use this for like a junk drawer because it's right by the front door. Keys, whatever. Your technology for your radio, and also hot water, awning, retract, all your different controls for outside and inside. Very nice. It's your AC unit up here with nice LED lighting. You have a fan above the bed as well to help with circulation of air. You also have this curtain for privacy that goes around the bed here. So in essence, you could, if you're a couple, you could have this bed, have the privacy with the curtain, and then over here would be kids or guests, and they have the privacy with that curtain as well. It's a nice little layout. It's pretty spacious in here. What do you guys think about that? And the colors aren't crazy. They're nice, they're tan, but they're like variations of tan, not like crazy brown. And like lots of gray as well. Got a screen and the door closes. Nice. So guys, that's my tour of the Forest River Micro Lite. It's a really, really great option if you want to keep things light and open. Plenty of space in there. It's beautiful. Might be on my list to consider. It's definitely a contender. I like how they're doing the indoor areas as well now. Not crazy colors or fabrics or weird things like that. All right guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. I'm doing tours like this, RV tours, van tours, and I also show my travel vlogs where you can learn how to boondock or live in an RV or transition from a sticks and bricks lifestyle, which by the way, I do have a course called the Nomad Mentorship Bootcamp, which helps you to transition from a sticks and bricks life into this nomadic life full time. And I can help mentor you do that. So just click on the link in the description box to check it out. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.